Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Pull the f*** over. It's on video. It's on video, brother. Dude, I'm in my lane. You came into my lane. It's on video. It's on video, brother. It's on video, brother. It's on video. Call the police. Dude, oh yeah, I do, because you have my car. Yeah, you did.
Dude, nothing even happened.
License, registration, and insurance, and Metro. Dude. Yeah, it did. Dude, you came into my lane, brother.
You love to see it. Our favorite movie critic from across the pond made his way the whole way here just to see you.
Get the out of my way!
Go drinker!
Duck wagon in here. Oh my gosh, people, come on. Nope.
No. He's gonna run into you. Wow.
No, I'm not going to.
Oh my gosh, sweetie.
gotta be kidding me. Now he's just being an asshole.
Go again, no, not off road.
Hey. Damn, son.
What the f is your goddamn problem? Hey, okay, Garmin, save video.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.